And not only do you focus on the qualities, you actually extend and support the growth of those qualities. You kind of almost grow them bigger and vision them bigger, visualize and feel them bigger in yourself, and you actually become a lover of those qualities. Now, that doesn't mean you forget about everything else. Number 3 type of relationship you want to create to live on energy more. So again, the type of relationship you create is basically what you exude and what you put out there that is going to manifest and give you that good energy flow, good life experience that you want, because that is giving you energy and also giving energy to the other people around you. Time management. Another important one. In relationships, sometimes some people don't know the boundaries of how much time to give to others, how much attention to give to others, and how much to give to ourselves. And oftentimes people, again, have more than one focus. They focus on the other person and they focus on them at the same time. Doesn't work. Very, very bad idea. And that's something you should forget about. Time management is either the other one first or you first. Basically, that's what it is. I'm going to share, again, 3 points and examples to go with them. Number 1 point, you want some me time. Make sure every day, but also every time you are with the people you like in those relationships, you have regular me time, at least once a day. But I really recommend several times a day, really, okay? Me time means you only focus on you, no one else. I do have to be very clear on that. You only focus on you, yourself, your body, your mind, your own persona. And during this me time, you do anything you want to do for yourself. Meditation, pampering, workout, anything you want to do alone for yourself. Okay? You can be with other people as long as, like let's say you go to a gym, there's other people around, but you focus on you. You don't talk to other people, you don't focus on other people, you focus on you, right? Same thing if you are in a yoga session, you focus on you while you do yoga with other people. If you are in a library, you read books, there's other people around, but you focus on yourself. You're reading books with yourself, for yourself. You're not in a kind of interactive relationship at that moment. Me time, very, very key if you want to have a healthy relationship. If you don't have enough me time, you are going to be horrible with the other person you are with. Whether it is friends, work colleagues, partners, lovers, same thing again, your family, your children, you are going to be just bleh. Again, I want to like throw up when I do this. You're just going to be not the best version of yourself, and you don't want to give this because that's going to lead you to lose energy, and you are going to take energy from the other people. That's not the way it works. Everything you take from others, you need to pay back at some point. So just don't do that. Number 2 point. Once you have that me time, and really you can't have any relationships again if you don't have that me time as a foundation in your life every single day, at least once a day, then you can actually focus on others. And the second point is make sure you implement in your time management schedule planning some him or her time. Now I'm talking whether you have a lover, then if you have someone in your life as an intimate relationship, a partner, life partner, you need some him or her time, okay? That's like, and this him or her time means he's the focus, priority number 1. You put yourself second, you forget about yourself. Not really like you forget entirely, but you put yourself second. You put yourself second during that time. You're not there first. You're not there like me, my day was this. No. You do things like you ask about how was your day, what would you like? Would you like a massage? Sexual intimacy, if this is what you chose, is also a time where you put the other person first at some point. Sometimes there has to be exchange there though, okay? If you have friends, okay, what is it that you want to do? What type of game you want to play? You basically put the other person first before you. And that's something I think that's something in today's world a lot of people forget. They think, well, how about me? They think selfish, or they think there should be a balance between the other and them during this him or her time. No, him or her is to focus on him or her. If you have one child, This time is to focus on your child. You come second. You coming second means you don't think about how tired you are, if you're hungry, if you want this, you want that, what your mind is telling you right now, if you want to just sit or... No, you focus on what do you need to do for the other person to be functioning in a happy way right now. But fortunately, this him-her time doesn't last forever. It has an end until me time comes back. And the last point is them time. If you are with friends, if you are throwing a party, if you have several people in the house, same thing, you put them first while they're there, during that them time. Them time means you put yourself second, and it's actually a lot more sacrifice than him or her time, because you don't have one person to focus on, but several people to focus on, and that's okay. If you're doing a party with several people, the only focus you have in mind is making sure everybody is functioning happy and well, and their needs are answered, okay? Whether your needs are answered right now, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter about you, doesn't matter. You may be tired, you may want to drink, you may want this and that. Doesn't matter. You put yourself second or like behind for the time of the them time. And fortunately, again, the them time has an end until me time comes back. And that's a very important one. Okay, that was the last point of time management when it comes to relationship. I've shared the 3 points. Be a friend first in your relationship, no matter which relationship you have. Number 2, love unconditionally. And number 3, manage your time with your relationship. And I can promise you, if you do that, you're going to have thriving relationships, people around you who are going to think you're great and an awesome person and a wise person and someone very nourishing to be around with. And you are going to be so nourished from your relationship. And that is going to help you live on energy a lot more, and not the opposite. This video was about sharing how to live a more nourishing, energizing and prosperous life. Remember to move fast, meditate and enjoy, and I shall catch you up in the next video. Bye now.